Why do 80% of visitors to Langkawi make sure to visit its Sky Bridge? Let's find out. High above the jungle canopy, suspended between mountains, the Langkawi Sky Bridge isn't just any bridge, it's an engineering marvel and a breathtaking adventure. Spanning 125 meters, this curved pedestrian bridge offers unparalleled views of the Andaman Sea and Taritau Island. Imagine strolling 660 meters above sea level, with the world unfolding beneath your feet. But this bridge is not just about the heights, it's about the journey. Accessible by the Langkawi cable car, your ride up involves sweeping views of waterfalls and lush rainforests. Once on the bridge, you can see why it was featured in movies. It's a scene straight out of a fantasy world. So, are you ready to conquer the heights and capture the beauty of Langkawi from the sky? Your adventure awaits.